video number 4. Sorry, I forgot where I was there. So now we're on to example 2 in the notes, and you folks, just another reminder, you need to write these notes out. Watching the video is not enough. You don't learn math by watching the video, you learn by playing along with the video, okay? So you make these notes too. Anyway, it says that we have to sketch a circle with radius 5. That's so easy. So just sketch a circle with radius 5. So you just draw your grid, and then you draw a circle, and you say, okay, that's at the number 5, and that's at the number 5. That's how easy it is to draw the circle. If you're artistically challenged at drawing circles, just do the best you can, and no one's going to worry. Of course, you can use the circle tool in OneNote if you want. You can, but you don't have to. Okay, number 1, what is the equation of the circle? Well, we know that the general form, as learned earlier in the lesson, and which is in video number 1, is x squared plus y squared equals the radius squared. So all we need to do is for somebody in the class right now to tell us what the radius is.
5.
Thank you. So x squared plus y squared must equal 25. That's our answer. That's how easy it is. Initially, this seems like really difficult material, but once you get into it, it's ridiculously easy. Okay, so I'm going to go on with part B now. The wait stuff, not really doing that right now because I'm making a video and I'm assuming you've already watched videos 1, 2, and 3. So this will flow after you watch videos 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so people watching this at home, there's people who arrived halfway through the lesson and they haven't watched the first videos yet, so they don't quite understand this. But if you've been watching videos 1, 2, and 3, you understand this, don't you?
No.
Yes, you do. You haven't watched them yet. Okay. Is the point 4, -3 on the circle? Okay, so I'm going to draw a diagram, on my diagram, where 4 is on the x-axis, and where -3 is on the y. And I'm going to try to figure out whether or not the point's on the circle. Oh my gosh, I can't quite tell. Look, it could be outside the circle, just barely, or maybe it's just barely inside the circle, or maybe it's actually on the circle. Question marks. I just don't know. I just can't tell. So we're supposed to do a complete check. To do a complete check, we're going to have to use algebra. We're going to substitute x equals 4 and y equals -3. Video recording in progress. And the equation is right here, so I'll just substitute into that equation. See what happens. I wonder what's going to happen. Well, we get 4 squared added to -3 squared. Let's see if that equals 25. Let's see if it does. Well, 4 squared is, class? 16, thank you. And what is the square of -3? Ooh, class, is it 9 or -9? It's 9. And what is 16 plus 9? 25, the moment of truth. Did we get 25?
We did.
Okay, so what does that mean? The point is located where? On the circle. Check mark. Therefore, 4 -3 is on the circle. Okay, next. Is the point 2 on the circle? I'm not going to draw the diagram. I'm just going to use my algebraic skills with the stylus. 2 squared plus 2 squared. What's that, class? 4 plus 4. Good, yes. Thank you for that. Equals 8. How does 8 compare to 25? 8 is way less than 25. Therefore, the point 2, 2 is where, class? Inside or outside?
Inside.
It's inside, yeah, because we got a smaller number. Is inside. Exclamation point. Ooh.